Hey, if you bought yourself a new iPad Air 5th generation, do yourself a favor. Do not buy these silly, flimsy Apple Smart-Folio cases. Total waste of money. A much better place to spend your hard-earned money would be on this UAG PLYO case. This is for the new 5th generation. 4th generation cases also fit, but I want something that fits like a glove on my big investment. So I think I'm gonna like it. It's very Smart-Folio-ish, which I've always liked that form factor, but this one's gonna give you a lot more protection. So let's crack this open, get it on the iPad, and see how we like it. This is the PLYO series cover. This one features a transparent background so you can see the new colors that Apple released with their new iPad Air 5th generation line. This is coming in at 0.62 pounds. You can see here it's designed in California. That's nice. I'm here in California too. Impact resistant, traction grip, auto wake sleep. It's got that Smart-Folio cover that turns on and turns off your iPad. There's pencil holder, and this is also very interesting. It's tested for medical environments. So one of the big things that UAG says a lot is that you can sanitize these with medical grade wipes and disinfectants repeatedly without altering the case integrity. Let's crack this thing open, see how it looks. Ah, I see it's not clear. It's not completely clear. It is clear enough, but it's kind of this, it's textured. It's textured plastic. You got a little bit of UAG branding there. I've got a perfect sticker that'll fit right there. Take care of that. So like I said, this is $20 cheaper than the Smart-Folio, and it feels better than the Apple Smart-Folio. This feels thicker already. The Apple Smart-Folios just feel so flimsy. I felt like such a sucker buying one for the iPad Air. And then I ended up taking it back because I was like, you know what? I can get way better cases for this thing for less money. This thing is $60, this PLYO case. The iPad Air Smart-Folio case from Apple, $80. So let's get the iPad in there and see how this thing fits. All right, very easy to get it in. These fingerprints off for you. You do have to kind of snap it in, but once it's in, it feels good. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that blue. That's nice. That's what I want to see. That's great. This feels a little flimsy. That's the only one thing, and I hope this lasts, but this feels pretty good. Then you got your spot for your pencil right here. Keep it charged. Oh, I see. So one thing, there are no magnets to grab this, and hold it when you're trying to look at it. You put these little notches. See these little notches here? This is for lower, and that's for higher. And you're just gonna put these, they just kind of sit in there, which is fine. That feels just fine. Feels snug, feels secure. Let's see. You just kind of, oh yeah, you just feel it in the back. Kind of just guide it in there, and then you're good to go. Moves, it does move. There's definitely some wiggle and some slack in here, but I'm still way happier with this than a Smart-Folio. This too, this is just nice for your brain, to think of this, it's a lot more protected. This is a hard case, hard plastic. If you have one of these iPad Airs, you've noticed that it feels very flimsy as well. You can kind of make it creak. And, as I was like tapping around on the inside of it, it would kind of creak and make some weird sounds. So I knew that I had to get something heavy duty and hard to really protect this thing when I'm throwing it in my backpack. There's definitely enough room to keep your camera protected. There's a nice deep groove there. So yeah, I feel much better with this. Money well spent, definitely. Do yourself a favor, do not get that Smart-Folio. All right, folks, there you have it, the UAG PLYO case. I'm already feeling much better with this wrapping my iPad Air in protection. I'm not even gonna grab the Smart-Folio, screw that thing. Just definitely do yourself a favor, save yourself 20 bucks, protect your gear better than what Apple wants. They want you to break that thing, so you go have to buy another one. Of course they're gonna give you some weak protection for it. If you're digging this kind of futuristic style of theirs, check out their other ones. They have one called the Metropolis, and there's a new biodegradable one called the Outback series. I would like to check that one out. It's a little more expensive, probably because, you're doing your part for the environment. This is plastic, and you know how long plastic is gonna live for. Check it out. Be mindful of your footprint. Enjoy your new iPad Air, protect it the right way, save some money, and check out these UAG cases. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.